Hello, I'm Stephen Levine, of counsel to the Judge Law Firm, and also a magician member of the world-famous Hollywood Magic Castle. As a result, the Judge Law Firm can assist you in making your legal problems disappear. This video discusses executive session board meetings. Now, there are two types of board meetings. Open meetings, which we'll discuss in another video, and executive session board meetings. Executive session board meetings are only for board members and their invited guests. They require 2 days notice with a posted agenda. Now, the agenda can be very vague. There are 8 issues that are discussed in executive session meetings. And as a result, the agenda can reflect each of those 8 issues just by topic. Specifically, the first issue would be pending or potential litigation. And at the meeting, often counsel will be there to discuss with the board what the status is of litigation, strategy involving the litigation, possible settlement issues. The second issue discussed is the formation of contracts. We have bids for the roofs. We're looking as a board at each of the contracts, comparing the prices, the material, the warranties, things of that nature. The reason it's in executive session is we don't want to have homeowners second guessing the decisions of the board. The third issue that's discussed at executive sessions is personnel matters. If an association has an employee, a performance review, discipline, a bonus, a raise. The fourth issue discussed at executive sessions is foreclosure on units. That decision is made between the board at the executive session. The fifth issue is discipline of a homeowner. The homeowner is called to a hearing for violation of the governing documents, the rules and regulations. So the board holds a hearing in executive session with that homeowner. The sixth issue is if a homeowner requests a payment plan because they're delinquent on their assessments. Again, the board discusses it amongst themselves with the homeowner. The seventh issue is if a homeowner makes a specific request for reasonable accommodation because of a disability, because of privacy concerns. Again, it's discussed in executive session. And the last issue in the executive session is if a homeowner makes a specific request to the association to discuss a matter in executive session because maybe they have a complaint about a neighbor or a privacy issue or a security issue that they don't want broadcast amongst the community. Any other issue is open meeting. Finances, reserves, special assessments, that all comes under your open meeting. When minutes are prepared for the open meeting, there will be an indication in the minutes of the fact that an executive session was held, the date, time, the agenda, just the generalities of what was discussed. Pending litigation, you may have a case name there. Discipline hearing with a homeowner, no name, because of privacy concerns. And the reason why all these issues are discussed in executive session in the first place, they're not mentioned in the minutes. But the minutes have to indicate that an executive session was held and the generalities of what was discussed. Should you have questions on whether things come in executive session versus an open meeting, contact counsel. Don't guess, don't make a mistake. Counsel is here for you. We specialize in community association law, and we can help make your legal problems disappear.